Kalintijam Welfare and Development Association Henin kasngi kalapli pai bano ya kalumpung ilakai football kabalatip kum ka Sunfeast Cup 5th edition jong usnem arja ka khandai hakaba ka kong Margaret Pathau kabadei ka thei ilakai arm wrestling kabapau nam jong ka jela Meghalaya bat ka ban salik mi khmaru ya kari Sharomania hakibnai ke ban sawan kalawan ban pli perda ya kane kalumpung ilakai jong Sunfeast kum ka kongsan hakajinga don langru da uba kores marwing Urang ilakai MMA bapau nam jong ka jela kumu sembut kongsan uba sumar langswer presiden ka LJWDA uba Krishan lapang rambak snong ka Saiden lembat kiwe yakane ka Sunfeast Cup arca ka khandai la pelongru yaka da ka jingeram manbei pisa lengba ka SPT Sport Management Private Limited Bangalore lengba ka company Sunfeast ka jingtmu jong kane ka Sunfeast Cup ka longru ban se madan yakisap kipong ki hybrid kentei ba shenrang hakajin lakai football bat kum juru baka kunhun ladu kanyok man mikmat ya kajela kum ka Meghalaya Master sya kalumpung ban pelong Hamelim East Kasil District ya kane kalumpung ilakai football Sunfeast Bhoi Zone ki kunhun ki balapoi bani simenta ki don hadu kumba sanpo arteli kenthei ba shenrang ki ban yakun haka under 13 but under 16 jong ki shenrang bat ka under 16 jong ki kenthei Lasakhiru ya ki jingkhun ki baitnat hakane kasngi pili perda hakaba ki ar kunhun ki lai simenta da ka jingsit ham haka under 13 jo ki senrang lai khun hapadeng ka solia persya ya ka paham rio
Keren meni yang ba ka sports kam desu tang ka kam ban pin yele kai la ne pin kilan men re ka deru ka kam ka ban pin la ban kamai jakpo la ne ha ba pin im si lang ba ka kam yele kai sports rik shu nga kwa ban at shu khndiat i tai kan tin lada pi kwa ban im ja lada pi kwa ban im si bat pin pau nam lang ba ka no ka kam ka ba phile le ka da ka jiksu thu bat le ka shim ya ka kum ka profession ka pin shim lada pi shim ya ka kum ka entertainment la de kum ba phile kai su ba ka bot la no pin nom poi bun ki khna ki ba wan se jim jongi ro ki wan ki ja no tang lai banai so banai na mar bali ki nangmut ba oh mixed martial arts ka fashion yi po UFC itanan ndai de ki wan hapo cam kam de ka basuk ka de ka batop nai batop tam ngi ru ki ju ki sport wala re ka de ka football lada pi po kwa wan po ha ka level jong Sunil Chetri pi kwa wan po ha ka level jong Eugene Son langdo tin chu wan practice tang chicken tam step ja no shahadin sitayo ja no hadin atayo pi wan biang practice biang tang shwa ka tournament lado pinom po chano
tiang akit bok kit riang ni pilang baro kinong yele akai kinong shindenta ba pin i yela ka sap ka pong ka ba uble ula ai happy but ba pin yele akai ru da ka jing ie da ka sporting spirits but ring kat ru kum jo nga ai ku blay kinong pinyai but ki committee but ki referees but ki linesman but ki way there blay shibon tiangan keren ru ak tian nong way yo nang kabentar ki tu ki way ki pam day na ka jo ka kintian Mr. Chairman sir ba sumarnang swear I am overwhelmed with joy to be here on this beautiful day the 24th August of 2019 as we mark the opening day of the 5th Sunfeast Cup 2019. Sir, you have given me this golden opportunity to stand on this platform. I am so happy and delighted. At this moment, I would like to drop few words on the youth footballers of this tournament. Well, I'm also a sports player in the discipline of arm wrestling. I would like to say that football has been a very popular game in today's generation. Boys and girls under 13, 16 for the girls. You have come here to compete. You have come here from various places of Bhoi. So I request all the players to play with sporting spirit. I would like players to cooperate with one another, because in sports we need teamwork and to work together and to win. But remember, sports build confidence and disciplines and good habits. Help you to focus in life, and let not forget that sports do not build confidence, do not build character, but reveal it. So play with love and sporting spirit, and best wishes to all the players. Finally, before I sit, I would like to share with you that I am chosen by the IAF, that is Indian Arm Wrestling Federation, to represent Team India on the 24th of October 2019. Team India on the 24th of October 2019 at Romania, Constanta. Well, I did not get financial support from the government today, but because of my passion for this game, I will fight for my district, my state, and my country. Therefore, I humbly request you all to please remember me in prayer on my journey to Romania.